Hello students, in this video I'll be discussing with you about two aspects related to iodimetric titrations. First, about the general principle of this titration, and secondly about the aqueous iodine solution, how it is made, which can be used efficiently within this analysis method. So as far as the principle is concerned, it's a direct titration method where iodine solution is directly titrated with a reducing solution. So this is the concerned equation at the lowermost side on your screen. So iodine solution we are directly titrating with reducing agent or a reducing solution, commonly known as an analyte. So during this interaction, which is the species which itself is reduced? It's iodine. So within your system, the reducing agent has a tendency to reduce iodine, which on reduction gets converted into iodide. Okay. The next thing to know about this particular titration method is what is the solution which is used here. So we take help of aqueous iodine solution. So when I say aqueous iodine solution, am I taking iodine dissolved in water? No, I cannot take this because iodine is insoluble in water. So which is the solution which I can take, or the aqueous iodine solution? It is represented in this way. That is, when I take iodine which is dissolved in Ki, since Ki helps iodine to get dissolved. So we take iodine in Ki solution, resulting in formation of soluble potassium iodate. Okay. So if you are aware of iodimetric titration and the concerned things up till now, then we can directly move on to the question related to it, which had been already appeared in your CET exams. See the question on your screen. Aqueous iodine solution for iodimetric titrations is prepared by dissolving. Is it iodine in water? No. Is it iodine in dilute KOH solution? Is it iodine in 10% ethanol water solution? Again no. So we are very much clear up till now which is the solution. It is iodine in potassium iodide solution because it makes iodine soluble within Ki. Okay. So that's for today. You will get some more information and the questions related to CET PG in upcoming videos. Till then, work hard, take care. Thanks for watching.